Hey guys, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. In this video, we are going to see how you can create multi-step forms and surveys in high level. We are going to use query parameters to pass the contact details from one form to a survey or to another survey or to a trigger link that is being sent for collecting details related to the contact. So there are certain benefits of doing this. Number one is we are deleting or we are eliminating the redundancy among our funnels, which means that if a contact has submitted their information on a form that on landing page, so after that, the next step was a survey. So they are so in high level, if you create a survey, it is um, going to ask email, phone number, and first name, last name in the survey again. So that reduces the redundancy if you are using query parameters. And also it reduces the funnel friction, which means that as you already sent the contact email and phone number to the next survey or to the next form, so it will certainly reduce the funnel friction. Next one is the lead engagement in real time. As the contact is filling out the details, so they will be more engaged um, if they don't have to type in their details again. We can definitely add sticky contacts, but again, the information we will be getting in the survey will be a redundant job for the contact. So use cases are just capturing data using trigger links and passing the contact's data for completing another survey, as we have talked about earlier, right? So let's just see how we can do that type of stuff. Now, if I go inside of our marketing, uh, so I have created a trigger link in which, so I am just for the purpose of this video, I'm just sending a detail in a form link to a contact who can give us some onboarding details. Um, and that trigger link will can be sent in the SMS or an email. So let's just see how that works inside an email, right? So we are in here, and if I go inside the uh, workflows. So there is an email, right? You can see here, which is saying that need these details to start onboarding and use this link to fill out the details, right? And if I test this workflow and if I run it through a contact, you're then going to see that how this is going to appear. So you can see the trigger link is there. If I click on it, so it is going to give me the details that I need to get from the contact, right? And these are some custom fields that I've built for this form um, for the onboarding. So we can request their Facebook ad account and Facebook page. So in our case, it's let's say these are the values across these custom fields. So I'll just submit it and let's just go back and see what it has um, done inside the contact section. This is the contact. Okay, so if I go inside the additional information, you're going to see that Facebook ad account ID is 9800 and Facebook page ID is 25,000. So that is working great. And again, the use case is to get certain information or to get any information through the trigger links. And the way to do is is by setting up query parameters. I will be um, embedding, sorry, I will be commenting down, or I will add this thing inside the description of the video so you can know that how you can create query parameters for your own work or for your own business, or for your own funnels, websites, etc. Right? So I will be adding this thing. In order to create it, you just have to add a question mark after the URL. Like if you are um, doing a form on www.example.com slash homepage, then that is a complete URL. And then you need to add a question mark and then pass the query parameters from there onwards, which will be like email equal to um, curly brackets contact.email and phone equals to contact.phone. You can add other attributes as well, like first name, last name, but you never know that two contacts are going to have the same name, right? So same is the case with the forms, right? And how you can make this for work inside the forms is by adding the whole URL in the first form, right? From the beginning, they are filling out the details, and then you will be passing the details from this form to another form or survey. And you can create multiple forms by sending the query parameters, which are then going to work fine. And in this case, you need to create a form in which all the details will be hidden from the user because you are going to pass the email and phone number, then you definitely going to need these fields added inside the other um, forms or surveys because you are going to send their email from this form, for example, to another form. I will show it. I will show that how we have created the form, but just let's just see where you want to put the URL with the query parameters, right? So you can hear you can see it from here that it is added like this, like complete URL was still the SL, right? And this is the complete URL. No. Okay, so the complete URL is here, right? So this is the complete URL. I will show you guys. So that is the complete URL, right? And then the question mark is added, and then we are adding the query parameters, right? So let's just test this one as well. Now, first name is this, phone number this, email is this, and blah blah blah. Submit. You can see here, it's the same thing. It is asking just to give you an idea that how you can use it for your own sake. Um, so if I submit or click button, so all the details will be inside the contact that was created right now. Okay, that's the one, right? So you can see here the details are added. Email is not working because it was a test email that we put in. So, I hope you guys like this video, and it's a great thing to have in your arsenal while you are building funnels because it is definitely going to um, reduce funnel friction. Again, if you guys are looking for help related to Go High Level, ClickFunnels, Active Campaign, Google Ads, Facebook ads, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description of the video. Until next time, thank